For years now, I've been using the rotoscope tool in After Effects to create cool visual effects that helped me get over 100,000 followers on Instagram. But finally, Premiere Pro got an update, and now you're able to create rotoscoping masks in Premiere as well. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So let's hop straight into it. Okay, so for this tutorial, I want to build with you a cinematic intro for an Instagram reel like this. For the first 100 videos I posted, almost everything flopped. Now, so what you want to do is duplicate, hold Alt on Mac or Option on Mac, Alt on Windows, and drag up this clip. So to duplicate it basically. Okay, now select this layer, go to the tools and click on the object mask tool, okay? And now what you want to do is go here to unassigned masks. And now what you see is that Premiere automatically gives you this mask. Now this isn't perfect at all, so what you want to do is just drag like a line like that and just make it rough, but yeah, as good as possible, just around you. Now this is pretty good, like here is a spot that we want to fill as well. Now what you want to do is go to the tracker right here in the top left corner and just track the selected mask forward. And now there is one very important step. Go to the object mask right here and just drag it down to the opacity. And now what you see, if we deselect the bottom clip, we have our mask. So now what we want to create is the text layers, but to do that we will go to text right here, go to transcript, and then hit these three dots and click on generate static transcript. English is fine, this is fine, just hit on transcribe. And now we have this. For the first 100 videos I posted, almost everything flopped. Perfect. Again, three dots and create captions. And now go to the captioning preferences, and what we want to do is hit the maximum length in characters to the absolute minimum. So we want to have one word, and the minimum duration in seconds also to 1.2 seconds, or the bare minimum, and lines in single. And now create the captions, and now what you see is here on the bottom we have. What we do is go to properties right here. So what we want to do is have this more here, and we want to have another font. Let's take Rock Grotesque. This is my go-to font for all of my subtitles and titles in general. Just take the black one or extra bold. Let's do all caps and get rid of the shadow and make the font size way bigger. Now select all of them again and just pull them up a bit, just right here. So what we want to create is the illusion, or like we want to pull them behind my head. And to do that, now we go to graphics and titles and upgrade caption to graphic. And now we have all those graphics in those title layers right here. And the only thing that we need to do now is pull them beneath our rotoscoped head. Now what we have is very dramatic, but this is cool. That's a cool effect. Now this is not the end of it. Okay, so we have the text now. Now what we can do is we can arrange the text a bit. Let's do first 100 videos. Now what we want to do is to animate them, and actually I have a preset for that, which is called Font Slide Up, and I could just slap that onto here. Now in the next weeks I'm launching a new product which is called Watchable, where I show you how to edit for retention, and inside of Watchable you will get all kinds of presets like this font slide up and even the font flicker in, like you can see here. There's a whole preset pack that you will get If you are interested in something like that, below this video there's a link where you can sign up to the waitlist. But just to tell you how to do that if you don't want to buy it. The font slide up is just a simple position keyframing effect. So you start a bit down below and keyframe it to the top. And what you want to do is to create this kind of curve right here. So it starts very slow, very fast and gets slow over time. And the opacity, you keyframe that as well from 0 to 100. What's important is to uncheck use composition's shutter angle and just bump up the shutter angle to like 236 is okay. You can do it to 360 as well. The more to the shutter angle, the more it's gonna be motion blurred. The flicker is just an opacity keyframe game. So on every frame you have a different opacity. Like here 0, 50, 10, 70, 0, 100. And that creates this nice flicker animation. Let's go to the beginning again. What we want to create is an adjustment layer. So we want to have this crazy zoom out in the beginning that many people are using. I like to put it a bit longer. And then for this effect I have also a preset which is called zoom out lens distortion. So slap it on there and now we have this. That's kind of cool, and that's also just a zoom out with a transform effect, zoom out 2 keyframes from 254 until 100. This is basically very easy to do, and the lens distortion is a cool effect, which you can find right here in the effects tab, lens distortion. And what you want to do here is just to make the curvature from -100 to 0. You could do so much more with this intro, but we want to make this tutorial a bit shorter. On this everything, I want to flicker my face. Now to do that, we just do a few cuts right here. Every other cut, we will go into the Lumetri color tab, go to curves, and just bump that straight up. And now click and copy, and on every second layer just paste it. So here we want to drag that above that, like that. And then we have this nice effect. Now what you want to do is get some sound effects, put some music under it, and you have a cool looking intro for your Instagram Reels. So that's everything for this tutorial. Thanks for stepping by, and don't forget to sign up for the waitlist for Watchable. I would really love to see you there. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.